In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Google Sheets offline. If you've ever found yourself needing to keep working on a spreadsheet without a reliable internet connection, perhaps you're on a flight, in a cozy cafe, or experiencing a temporary network outage, this guide is exactly what you need. We'll show you how to turn on offline access for a specific Google Sheet. This way, you can continue editing just like you normally would, and all your changes will sync seamlessly once you're back online. Start by opening the Google Sheets file you want to have available offline. This can be any spreadsheet you have, whether it's a newly created sheet or an intricate workbook you've been diligently updating. With your sheet open, direct your gaze to the top left corner of the screen. There you'll find the File menu, a digital toolbox where key document controls and settings are conveniently grouped. In this menu, you want to find and select the option labeled Make Available Offline. By doing so, you're instructing Google Sheets to store a local copy of this file on your device. This means you'll be able to open, edit, and save it even without an internet connection. Upon selecting this option, a prompt will pop up explaining the benefits of offline access. All you need to do is click Turn On, and Google Sheets will start preparing your file for offline use. The next step involves a bit of patience, as you'll be asked to reload the tab so the changes can take effect. Clicking Reload will refresh the page. Behind the scenes, Google is busily saving a local version of your document, making sure it's ready to go whenever you find yourself disconnected. To confirm that this process worked smoothly, simply open the File menu once more. If you notice a checkmark next to Make Available Offline, congratulations, the setup is complete. From now on, you can go about your work without worrying about losing your connection. Your edits will be saved locally on your device. Then, when your internet returns, Google Sheets will automatically sync everything to the cloud. If changes occur on another device while you are offline, Google Sheets will skillfully merge these updates for you. In rare situations, it may ask you to decide which version to keep. Before wrapping up, let me share some helpful pointers. Offline mode tends to perform best in the Chrome browser. Many users might need to enable the free Google Docs offline extension to get started. If you're not seeing the Make Available Offline option, double-check that you're signed into your Google account, have sufficient local storage if service search, and that your organization allows offline access. Keep in mind, features relying on live internet data, such as certain add-ons or real-time connectors, will only update once you reconnect. Fortunately, your standard formulas and editing tools will still function without a hitch. And there you have it. Open your sheet, go to File, make it available offline, turn it on, and reload. With these steps, you won't have to hit pause on your work just because the Wi-Fi does. Thanks for tuning in, and happy spreadsheeting wherever your project